Hi guys, welcome to my 10K challenge of Maven. So this video will be different from the previous one. Reason being, I think I'm quite disappointed at myself. I am also a bit angry on myself. Reason being, I actually violated my own rules. So right now I'm in a drawdown of almost, let's see, of $290, and the maximum I can lose on this account is $500. So let me tell you what actually happened on 16th of February. So I promised myself I won't take more than one trade on each day, but on 16th of Feb I have took six trades. So the first trade is on a break even, which is this one 5.84 with a profit of, and the second one, and then again I think it would be my biggest mistake. I took almost like five more trades and they are all in a loss. I think the good only thing about this is my stop loss. The loss would be always the same, like $30 loss on each trade. So these are the five trades that I took a loss on these. And again, if you could see that $35, so it means that there must be some kind of $2 or $3 fee of the on a lot size. So let's go and see which trades I took and where I'm starting right now. So the first trade I took on a Euro USD is this one. If you could see, it was not a bad trade. I took this I took this trade on right here, and it like almost touched my 1.5, but it does not hit my TP. So I closed this trade on a break even. Then I took this trade, and it was a very bad trade. Then the news came, and as far as I knew that when the news come, there might be a very big fair value gap. I would call this a fair value gap. There might be a chance that I'm wrong, and if I'm wrong, maybe wrong or I'm wrong. Reason being because I'm not kind of that mentors, or I would say that guru. I took this trade, and this it was in a profit here, and then it reversed. While I was taking this trade, I do have in my mind that I should take a trade on this fair value gap. Then this one, and if I took a trade here, it will probably hit my 1 by 2 take profit. But again, then I go into the scalping because I was not following my own trading rules. I took this trade and it was a loss, and then I took this trade. So after five trades, I thought I should not take more trades because I'm already violating my own rules. This is the situation. So right now where I'm starting. So yes, I'm totally in a loss of $290, and I need to almost make a $1,100 if I want to pass this trading challenge. Reason being, there is a 300 loss and 800 is the target. But I am very like optimistic at this point. I think I can do that if I follow my own rules. I think it would take me more than like 2 or 3 months. I'm pretty much sure I can do that. I'm still positive, and I will make sure that I will not violate my own rules again. And this is trading lag. This is the part of trading. Even though I'm trading from 2016, but this is it's all about psychology. It's all about mindset. So I will update you guys on my YouTube channel. This is the raw video. So again, thank you so much. Keep watching, and I would love to hear from you guys if you have something to add, comments, or even you can reach out to me on my Telegram or email. Thank you so much.